Hello, I'm Pyrominion and welcome to my channel. This is for Anycubic Kobra Max Ultimaker Cura printer profile installation. First, you're going to open Cura. Let that open. Alright, if you haven't created a new profile or printer, go ahead and add your first printer. I'm just going to add a generic custom printer here. And then we're going to ignore it completely. You can go ahead and skip over everything, finish, and then you're going to go to Help, and then Show Configuration folder. You're going to go down to Downloads after you've downloaded the files. And you're going to select Anycubic Kobra Max f.json, and then you're going to go to Definitions and paste that file into Definitions. Then go back to your Downloads folder. Go to the Anycubic Kobra Max extruder def.json, and then you're going to place that in extruders and paste it. Then we'll go back to downloads, and then you'll select the rest of the files in downloads, the FDM printer, 3D puck, and then the 3 Anycubic Kobra Max files. Copy them. And then we're going to go back to Quality folder and paste in there. Then we'll go and close everything out and reopen Cura. Now you can use any version of Cura 4.0 and above. Right now I'm using 5.1. We're going to go to Add Printer, then add Non-Network Printer, go down to Anycubic, and then there's the Kobra Max, and click Add. So now under Profiles, they're permanent. We have the PLA, TPU, and the 3D puck profile. Go to your FDM printer, you have hit that profile also. Alright, thank you for watching.